I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pudding out of leftover bread. First, you'll need about 6 to 8 cups of stale bread, cut into 1-inch cubes. Next, prepare your rich custard base by whisking together 2 cups of milk, 3 large eggs, and 1/2 cup of sugar. Don't forget to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a small pinch of salt to enhance all those delicious flavors. Once your custard is ready, pour it evenly over the bread cubes in a large bowl. Gently toss to ensure all the bread is coated, then let it soak for 20 to 30 minutes. This allows the bread to fully absorb the liquid, creating a wonderfully moist texture. Now is also a great time to mix in any extra flavors you love, like 1/2 cup of raisins or chocolate chips. Now it's time to bake your delicious creation. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Lightly grease a 9 by 13-inch baking dish, then carefully transfer the soaked bread mixture into it, spreading it evenly. Bake for approximately 45 to 60 minutes, or until the pudding is beautifully golden brown and a knife inserted into the center comes out clean. It will smell amazing. After baking, let your bread pudding cool for about 10 to 15 minutes. This helps it set properly and makes it easier to serve. Enjoy it warm, perhaps with a dollop of whipped cream, a scoop of vanilla ice cream, or a simple caramel sauce. This versatile dessert is perfect for any occasion, and you can easily experiment with different spices or fruits to make it your own.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.